Okay, this is how to make a transparent image. First thing we do, we're going to get the use the snipping tool to snip the image that we want from its source. We're going to make sure to get the background white. So in order to do that, make sure you have the right one selected here. Let me go back to the original. Okay, so make sure we have white. Alright, background is white. Going to go to, if we've done it correctly, see color. If we've done it correctly, color to alpha will be selectable. By the way, once we have everything white here, we need to add an alpha layer. To do that, all I clicked on was add to alpha. So we add to alpha. Now we'll go here, go to colors, go to color to alpha. You will see the symbol in preview mode with the transparency behind it. So this is white to alpha. Click OK. You have a transparent image.